It is October 8th here in Wisconsin, and we have a ton of things in our garden still. So I'll give you a quick update. Cherry tomatoes are still going great. Our garden is amazing. It's a purple cauliflower. I definitely need to harvest some more things today. It's that season. Here is a further back look. I absolutely love my garden. Just finished the border since last time, and I love it. So the border's finally done. Here's another. Hopefully you can see that with that sun. But our tomato plants are still going strong. Our marigolds are huge and beautiful, like our tomatoes. One of my neighbors said we are growing pumpkins over here for tomatoes. I did pull a lot of plants out already, but I have more to pull out, and I just put some new things in, some new for my fall garden. So I have a couple little lettuces planted and some other things on the inside of the garden, some broccoli and turnips and some other goodies. Definitely some little things in there. So yeah, we're loving the garden this year. I'm so excited for it. Just wanted to share. This is probably the latest that I have had a garden. Latest in the year that I've had such a beautifully growing garden. We're obviously in October, and I feel like mine is just doing well. We did plant it a little bit later because we built it this year, so it got planted a little bit later. So I don't know if that's why ours is just still beautiful and bountiful, but I'm gonna take it. So there's the garden update.